This series of videos is meant to teach you basic infection control concepts related to environmental cleaning and disinfection in hospitals and long-term care settings. This video is not meant to replace your agency policies. Make sure you know and follow your agency policies.
Hello, I'm Dr. Mark Rupp. I'm Chief of the Division of Infectious Diseases at the University of Nebraska Medical Center. I'm part of a team that's funded by the state of Nebraska, made possible by a grant from the CDC. We're focused on trying to prevent infections in acute care hospitals and long-term care facilities. We are particularly wanting to stop the spread of Clostridium difficile, or C. diff infection. This infection is spread by touching objects that have this germ on them. We have made this video to help train and educate environmental service employees about cleaning and disinfection, particularly those objects that are touched many times throughout the day. Environmental services staff play an important role in breaking the chain of infection by cleaning and disinfecting objects that have germs on them, like tables, chairs, and counters. These germs can be carried person to person after someone touches a contaminated object. The role that you play by cleaning and disinfecting the environment is critically important in preventing infections from happening.